going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. Just trying to beat this heat, people. It's hot down here in Louisiana. Know it's probably hot where y'all at too. Everybody trying to say it's global warming. I don't know what it is. All I know, eventually we're going to have an ice age and then people are going to be calling it global cooling. It is what it is, people. We can't control it. I don't know. All I know is we need to control some of these gas prices. It's killing me. But anyway, people, thank you for watching another episode of Bartending with Bones. Today, we doing up Planters Punch. Not Planters Peanuts. Planters Punch. It consists of 2 lumps of sugar, lime juice, bitters, rum, and water. Let's begin. Go ahead and get you a tall glass with some cracked ice in it. Drop your sugar in there. Get you your jigger. You want your jigger end? That's your 1.5 ounce end. Go ahead. Pour out 1 of your lime juice. Pour it right on top of your sugar cubes. Get your bitters. A couple dashes. Don't want to know any more than 2. Overpower it. Get away. Now, go ahead. You want 2 of your rum. That's going to be 1, 2. And you want 1 of your water. You want to stir it as much as possible to let those sugars dissolve. Cheers, everybody. First thing off the bat is you get those bitters. Then after that, you get kind of a sweet and sour kind of note between the sugars and then the lime juice. Then you get the rum coming in right after that. Very nice flavors. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.